Okay, hello. Today we are going to be doing this lesson right here. Bye-bye. We're going to be doing this lesson right here. But if you have not done this lesson, which was yesterday, make sure you do this one first, okay? But today we're going to do this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, September 4th. Click on that. Okay, so very important. You're going to watch step one, number one in doing this directions is watch the video. You're watching it now. That's good. But before you do the assignment, we need to review a web page that tells you a little bit more about something called vertical angles. Okay, so one thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and I'll click on that. So open that up. And if you need to translate it, remember you can go like this and you can translate right there. Okay, so if you want to translate in any Japanese or whatever language you want, you can translate it. Okay, but what I want you to do, we haven't gone over that, so I want you to go ahead and read this and understand what's going on here and make sure you go through this, okay? But read this, but basically you've got angles that when two lines cross, the opposite angles are, are equal to each other or congruent, okay? So if you look at that, two lines here, this side is 81, across this way, 81. This one, the opposite side is this, okay? So 99, 99. Move the lines, it changes it, okay? Opposite sides, 8, 64, 64, 116, okay? So anyway, please read this, and that will help you to do this assignment. But what I do want to do is a quick review of what we did before. Yesterday you learned about the common types of angles. So here's the common angle. So you may want to review these right here. Acute, right, obtuse, straight. These are the main ones you want to review for the assignment today. This is also telling you the language of them. So acute, less than 90. So you'll need this information. So go ahead and review this. And then don't worry about this right now or this. That won't be part of it. But you do want to review this, how to label the angles, make sure you understand that, okay? So that's one part. The next part we did yesterday also was supplementary angles. So if you remember that, angles add up to 180 degrees, supplementary. So if you look at this, it reminds you of that. And then if you have two complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So they make a right angle, okay? So like this one right here for complementary. So let me just show you a quick example of complementary. These would be right here. Two angles make together, they add up to or sum to 90 degrees, okay? And so that's that. So you'll need that for the assignment today. So once you have done that, then you come back to the assignment and you are ready for it. And remember, you can download the assignment here and you can open it up on Kami so that you can mark it up. I'll go ahead and open it up for you. My computer, hopefully it's there. Okay. And then you can mark it up. So classify each angle as acute. Whatever you think the answer is, you can write, okay? So that's the assignment. And then when you get done with all the questions, come back to Canvas and you're going to enter all your answers here. Remember, either as a letter or as a number only, okay? So yeah, I think you know the process. Okay, so you come back down here and you enter your answers, okay? So just let me know, let your teacher know if you have any questions, but that's how we do the assignment.